CQDA Series reach trucks, masters of narrow spaces. Don't let the size fool you. It handles 1,500 kilograms to 2,000 kilograms with ease. Powered by a 24-volt system, 1.5 kilowatts drive motor, pure AC technology. The real killer feature, the collapsed mast height. Only 1,845 millimeters. It fits perfectly into containers and low doorways. Standard lifting height is 2,500 millimeters, smooth and stable. Lifting speed, 0.112 meters per second. Precision control for every pallet. Need to climb? It handles a 5% to 8% gradient even when fully loaded. And for narrow aisles, the stacking width is just 2.8 meters. Equipped with electromagnetic braking, safe and responsive. Ergonomic design makes every move efficient. CQDA Reach Truck, reliable power for your logistics. Contact us for the spec sheet.